I may kindly be permitted to commence the proceedings, please. With the kind permission of the Honorable Governor, I read out the names of the ministers designate for the state of Telangana to take the oath of office and the oath of secrecy. I request the Honorable Governor to kindly administer the oath of office and the oath of secrecy to the ministers designate of the state of Telangana. Cabinet Ministers, Sri Vivek Venkat Swami Garu.
I, Dr.
I-
Gaddam,
I,
Dr. Gaddam Vivek Venkateswamy, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Telangana, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Gaddam Vivek Venkateswamy, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as minister for the state of Telangana, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
all the best. Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Venkateswamy Gupta అన్నారు. Okay, sir.
Sri Adluri Lakshman Kumar Garu.